Cool, so we're looking good. Now let's take a look at making these cupboards. Let's create a box, and with snaps turned on, let's just pull that across and up. And I'm just going to make that 700 high. And I'm just going to hold shift and pull that up to where these cupboards will be as well. And I'm going to make that a copy. So the tops of these cupboards are actually in line with the tops of these doors in our image. So what we can actually do, let's go to the front view and let's just snap that to the top here, and let's make that minus 700. Go back to the camera view and let's actually make it minus 800. You can see that that lines up nicely. And I'm going to snap and I'm going to grab this bottom box again, and in the front view, holding shift, snap that to the top and make that a copy. And I'm going to make that height 300. And back in the perspective, I'm going to make the length 150 millimeters. In the left view, let's line this up. So with F3, turn that grid off, and we can put that here. And now I'm going to put an editable poly on, select polygon, go to the camera, select here. Now again, you're going to find it hard to select the y-axis, so we can just use the one down here, and that's going to pull and push that forward. So I'm just going to turn on, press F3 to turn on wireframe and line that up. And let's do the same. I think they're going to be the same width, so I'm going to add an editable poly. I'm going to select these faces and I'm just going to snap them to the box below. So now you can see we've got our cupboards in place. And again, I'm going to press F3 and in the top view. Now this island in the middle, I think it roughly lines up with this fridge here. So if we go to the top view, and I'm going to hold shift and pull that out, and it might be tough to see. Let's just turn off the background image and apply that, and I think around about here. And again, let's just go back to our camera view. I'm going to hit Alt B and turn back on our background image, apply to view. Make sure our snaps is on as well. And now in the Y, I'm just going to line up that front line. And I'm also going to select these, pull them in. So just in the top view, it's pressing T. Let's select these, go back to our camera and use these dialogues to pull them in. And let's select these rear parts and let's pull them back as well. And press F3. And we're starting to get some shape to our furniture. So we could actually bring this countertop down a little bit. So let's bring that to about here. And that in turn will bring the shelf down, but we can, with snaps on, just snap that to the top of the counter. And I'm just going to hold shift again. We're going to create a countertop, so I'm holding shift and attach that there, make that a copy, and down in box, I'm just going to make that 125 mil. That'll do it. So that's cool. And now with the island, let's select this face and we're going to hit ring, connect, Okay, turn off snaps. I'm just going to eyeball that to the front edge here, and same, let's ring, connect. In fact, let's hit the dialog and let's add 2. I reckon we can make this about 92, and we'll select the face, delete that one, this bottom face, and then we can select this edge here and here. In the perspective, we can hold shift and just pull these edges in, go back to the camera view, and in the Y, let's just line that up. I'm going to hold Alt and deselect this top edge, and then if I hit bridge, that will make the back. So we are making progress. And we've also got some cupboards up here, so let's turn off this edge, select this and rotate it by 90. That's not snapping, so I'm going to cancel that, turn on angle snaps and rotate it by 90. Make that a copy, pull that over here into position, in perspective. Let's bring this over and we'll select these edges, holding snaps. Just going to line that up with the inner edges of the fridge. And also in the camera, F3, and we'll just line this up as well, so you can turn off snaps for this. Alright, so next up we're going to install Copita, so we'll see you in the next video.